Hey everyone, so welcome back to the channel, and in this particular video I'm actually going to show you a very simple strategy I have been using for some past months now. Now, I made a video some time ago and I was talking about this particular platform here, which is Classify Ads, which claims to give free traffic sources to people out there. All right. And per the comment that I received, a lot of you guys had benefit from this Classify Ads. People gain much interest and people make good traffic from Classify Ads. Others also complained they didn't receive anything. Don't worry, because in this video, I'm actually going to share with you 4 or 3 other traffic sources you are not going to pay anything for it. Now, if this strategy works for you, just let me know in the comment section. And if it doesn't, don't worry, just also let me know in the comment section, because we are all helping ourselves in sharing ideas together. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, which is Mr. Henry here. All right, just subscribe to it, turn on the notification bell in order to get notified whenever I drop such an amazing content just like this. And moreover, go ahead, like it, leave nice comments. Check under the description, there is a link to my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Just join me out there, and all what I do is to make money with you guys, nothing else. All right, so let's dive into the video and let me show you. Now, if you claim that classify ads also help to gain traffic to your ad network, that means today you're actually going to try it with an ad network and see how it does works in some few days to come. All right, so what you're actually going to do here is just look for an offer in any other platform. It is for you to either promote your money tag link, your ad star link, hit up propeller ad link, or any other links out there. But in this particular video, I'd like to try it with the CPA Grips offer. All right, this is actually free, so you don't need to pay anything. So give it a try with CPA Grip if you don't want to use your AdStara or MoneyTag accounts. All right, just give it a try with a CPA Grip out here. Now, in order for you to create an account or register an account on CPA Grip, it's very simple. I've already made a video on that, so just go ahead and input in your first name, your last name. Company and website is not compulsory, so your address, your country, which is Ghana, city, your state or region, your phone number. Go ahead and input in your IM service. Just repeat your mobile number here. Where did you hear about us? Confirm password and your password email. It's very easy for you to navigate through. That's why I'm taking it very faster here. Just toggle these boxes on and click on register now, and automatically it will take you through. I already have an account, so let me just log into and show you guys how it does work. So this is where you're actually going to look for an offer to promote out here. Currently I'm in Ghana, so these offers are from Ghana, right? These offers are in Ghana. These are very low offers. I can't even get $1 from it. All right, so what I'm actually going to do is just come to this place which says offer tools. Click on my offer, and this is where we're actually going to be. All right, so just come to the country, target any tier one country that you know. So in this process, I would like to use United States, United Kingdom, not United States. All right, I'm going to use the UK for this particular trick. All right, so what you're actually going to do is to just go ahead and then choose a category for everything you have to know here. Now the category you're going to choose simply means that what this offer is actually going to tell the users to install a mobile app. That's the mobile app aspect. And the pin summit, I don't actually know that of the pin summit because I've not been using for a while, but I've been using the email or the zip submit just because this is an easy way for you to grab people's attention, because the offer is actually going to show people that they have to input in their email, and most at times inputting in your email doesn't seem difficult as compared to inputting in your credit card. All right, at this side it says credit card, so just use your email aspect. I think it's the best for you. All right, so yeah, once you're done, you're actually going to have an offer here. Currently there is no offer available for this country which says United Kingdom, which is a zip one. So just go ahead and let's say at this moment I like to use United States. All right, okay, so let's see. So right, so you have this offers from United States, which is a zip one. All right, now you have a devices here. All right, now you can see the Apple logo here. You can see the Apple logo here, which means that this offer is only going to run on Apple devices. You can see the Android symbol here. This means this offer is on Android only. This also means this offer is on desktop only. So that signs actually tells you how it looks like. If you're lucky, you might get two devices on one offer, but most on CPA Grip, you mostly get only one device allocated to an offer. So just check it out here with the payout. So let's say I want to go in for this particular one, claim $100 gift card out of that, and I think the PRF is actually good. Just click on it, and here it says enter your information now for chance to win. All right, so you're actually going to promote this link using our classify ad this time. Now here are other free ads you can also use to gain traffic to your work. All right, so I have this one, which is um the free classify ad, which is a global free classify ads. You also have the free ads. You also have the O black page and that of that. All right, so we also have this, so you can either try any of these. I've not actually given much try to the o back page and the free ad, but I've actually tried this and that. All right, so give a try to any of these and let me know in the comment section, because we are helping ourselves out here. So I'll go ahead and continue with the classified ad where it says post an ad for free. All right, so actually I'm going to just choose a category for this particular ad. So this particular ad have to do with, let's say, services. Let's say I'm going to write services. All right, choose. All right, so just choose between. All right, yeah. So let's say these services are not available. It's not perfectly for me. Okay, so let's say sell an item. So what type of item are you selling? Let's say tickets. All right, so what you're actually gonna do here is just enter a zip code that you want to promote this offer. It says zip code. So what you are going to do is just go to your browser and just type in zip code for any country that you know. All right, so let's say I want to use this zip code right now here. All right, so let's say I want to use this. Just go ahead, copy the whole of this. All right, come back to your work and just paste in the zip code right now here. So it's gonna give you this sample, then add it. It's actually at United States though, right? So you're promoting this offer at United States, all right? So what you're actually gonna do is just give it a title. So just come to your offer here, and give it a title. Let's say claim 1000 USDT gift card. I think we run our offer. So claim this gift card. Let's copy it, get back to our work. So let's say it's our work, just paste it inside here. All right, that's the ad title that we are actually going to use. So asking price, so let's say this is going to cost only $2. All right, this is actually going to cost only $2. All right, so what you're actually gonna do is just give it, let's say, $2, and then that's it. All right, so come to this aspect which says the description. Come back to your work here. All right, so say enter information now for that of that. So just copy the whole of this, get back to the work and just paste it in here. All right, so enter information for now. So the information that you want the person to enter is enter your email. All right, enter your email. So enter your verified, enter your, let's say enter your email. All right, for the sake of this video, but please make it something very attractive. Enter your email. All right, and grab the chance, to win. All right, so let's see something like this. All right, for the sake of this particular video, so grab the chance to win that of that, enter your email. All right, this is actually going to look very cool for now. All right, yeah, so it's good, and then I think everything here seems normal. All right, so what you're actually gonna just input in your name, your email, re-enter your email, and also go ahead input in your phone number, the zip code, and everything has been given to you already. So how long do you want this particular ad to last or expire? So for me, I like to say 3 weeks, because at 3 weeks maximum you get to know the effect of what you're actually doing. Don't take it too far. All right, don't take it too far. You can even set it to 2 weeks so that you can see if this format will actually works for you. Okay, just enter or type in this code at this section here, At this section where it says image, what you're actually going to do is just go to your work here, your CPA Grip, download this image. All right, come back to download this image, come back to your work, click on choose file. All right, locate where it went, just input in at this section here. All right, so you can see we've been able to upload our image here. Click or just tick this icon here and just click on post this ad. Now once you post this ad, it's going to tell you it has been posted. You will not even see anything much, but then just monitor how the system looks and either it will actually work for you. Most people complain it worked for them. Others also said it couldn't work for them in my previous video. So take this opportunity to watch this particular ad or try it. You don't need to pay for anything. Even with your CPA grip, you don't need to pay for anything at all. All right. So just go ahead and promote. You can even use your AdStera account or Monitor account, but make sure it's not your true or your it's not your true AdStera account. So please take note of that and then you are good to go. But don't forget that there is one thing here you also need to do. Now, the next thing you need to do is just go ahead to this aspect which says the link here. All right, the link here. Copy that link, come back to your work, right, and just insert in the link at this session here. All right, at this session. Right, but make sure you just embed it or you make sure to give something title to make it very catchy, or you can either insert a link or where it says insert in URL, input in your URL here, click on OK. All right, and what you're actually going to enter, let's say I want to edit this whole thing. All right, let me try to make this very well for you guys. So come to this aspect, just say okay, click here. So let's say enter your email, enter your email and click here. All right, so the here should be something different and just give it like this. Just highlight it, come to this icon which says add link, just insert in your link and just click on OK. So enter your email and click here. So this will be highlighted in whenever they are promoting the offer for you. So once anyone clicks on it, your interest or your everything will be counted on this platform. All right, everything will be counted at this platform for you to know that it is actually working or not. I'm sorry for the inconvenience though, so try it and let me see if it does works for you, please, out there. Right, so don't forget to join the Telegram, the WhatsApp channel too as well, and let's all catch good vibes together. Thank you very much and hope to see you in my next video.